Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 977, and today's topic is the manufacture of plywood or wood laminate. So here, before manufacturing the plywood, which is very common in our indoor construction, in floor, this roof, all these places, lot of plywood is used nowadays in a different shape, shining, quality. So before going to that manufacture of plywood, we have to understand what is laminate. That's why it is called wood laminate. Actually, when we are saying laminate is the combination of two substances. One is called adhesive and other one is called adherent. Adherent means any solid material, solid substance like very thin wood, very thin paper, or very thin plastic, or even rubber. So that is adherent. And what gummy mass, we can say resin, protein resin, these resins, they are called adhesives, and it is applied on the surface of adherent, and then layer by layer they are put together, and that is called plywood. And this plywood is of two types, or we can say laminate products are of two types. One is called linear laminate. Linear laminate means where all the layers are parallel. All parallel, they are put together one by one. And the second one is called cross-link laminate. In the case of cross-link laminate, it is a right angle, cross one. So mostly in the case of plywood manufacturing, the very thin sheet of wood is put in right angle with the help of adhesive, any resin, it is made. And with the help of this laminate procedure, we are also manufacturing, that is called laminate glasses. Laminate glasses, they are also blood-proof glasses, because many layers are put together with the help of adhesives, and plastic layer, glass layer, plastic layer, glass layer, maybe so many layers, and then it becomes very strong so that it can resist even bullet. That's why it is called bulletproof glass. So it has lot of significance in our daily life, and especially to manufacture the plywood, we are putting 0.5 mm to 10 mm thickness of wood, and one by one it is fixed with the adhesive. So I am going to give all these things. So wood laminate or plywood is the product of combination of adhesive and adherent, and adherent is wood and adhesive is protein resins or phenolic resin like phenol, formaldehyde, and this plywood is cross laminate product, where all the thin sheets are arranged with each other in right angle fashion. So here, number one, first I am discussing here, you should understand what is the meaning of laminate. It's very important to understand, because out of laminate process, not only plywood is manufactured. With this bulletproof laminated glasses are also produced, and some other plastic, rubber materials are produced with the help of laminate. So lamination process is also very interesting and important to understand how to do it. So what is laminate? It is a product that can be obtained by joining two or more layers of a solid material or materials. Laminates are generally of two types. One is called parallel laminate, and second one is called cross laminate, that is a laminate. In parallel laminate, the grains of the layers are approximately parallel to each other. Once they are all in parallel fashion to each other, one by one, that is called parallel laminate. In cross laminates are those in which grains of the sum of the layers are arranged at right angles to each other. The layer of the material so bonded by an adhesive is called adherent. So it is by the combination of two materials, one is called adhesive and other one is called adherent. Hence, laminate may be regarded as combination of adhesive and adherent. Laminates are commercially prepared or manufactured with substances such as wood. First, very important material for plywood is, that is your thin sheet of wood as a adherent, and phenolics, resicinol, urea, epoxy or polyester resins as adhesive. Number 2, the manufacture of polywood or wood laminate. It can be manufactured by bonding together an odd number of wood sheet, that is either 3, 5 or 7 etc. of thin sheets of wood, and the thickness of wood should be around 0.5 to 10 mm thickness, which is generally called as veneers. So veneers is the name of that thin piece of sheet which is used to manufacture plywood in such a manner that grains of the alternate veneers are at right angles to each other. Thus, polywood is a cross laminate product. Again, I am repeating that plywood is the cross laminate product, where they are arranged the layers with each other in right angle fashion, and the plywood for interior use is bonded with protein gel glue or resin glue, and may be pressed hot or cold. Both techniques are used. Either it is pressed to be together, to join together very strong bonding, either by hot or by cold process, and polywood, that is for external use, is bonded with an phenolic resin such as phenol formaldehyde resin. So here I am discussing the lamination, or we can call it laminate technique is very interesting and important for our domestic use, for our daily use. And out of this laminate technology, we are manufacturing laminated glass by putting layer one by one, plastic glass with the help of adhesive, suitable adhesive, and that glass is called laminated glass. And also, if many layers are put together, finally we call it bulletproof glass, because it can resist the momentum of the gun bullet. And then the adhesive which is manufactured is known as that cement rubber, and then thermocol. So all are very interesting products and derivatives out of